Let's take a look at some other breaking developments in this matter. After alleging that Chetan Chaudhary was illegally detained before his formal arrest, the defence has now moved to court with a second application seeking to preserve crucial CCTV evidence. Chetan Chaudhary's lawyer, Advocate Uttarwar, has now requested the court to direct Pune Rural Police to preserve and produce the CCTV footage from the Superintendent of Police's office. According to the defence, the footage could help establish when Chetan was actually brought to the superintendent's office, supporting its claim that he was taken into custody nearly 12 hours before the time shown in the official arrest records. The lawyer says that the footage is vital to determining whether the detention before the formal arrest was lawful. Juhi Arora, quickly coming to you once again. Now, the question with regards to the CCTV footage, which has been demanded by the defence to be preserved and brought as evidence in front of the court of law, in front of the judges. Now, can there be irrefutable evidence by way of this CCTV footage that will allow for this charge that has been levelled by the defence against the police? How is it going to be detrimental in the proceedings that are being carried out by the police? How trustful can the courts and the defence be on the credibility of the police in carrying out these investigations and interrogations? And then what can be the legal recourse? Could there be a judgment by the courts handing over the case from the police, I don't know, to a special team of the CID that could be created? Could other police agencies be brought into to look into the matter?
See, very well. See, as of now, as and when you are arresting anybody, is as per the criminal procedure, as and when you are arresting anybody accused in these kinds of a matter or any other crime, then in that case the detention has to be legal, and at the same time you have to lodge an FIR. Detention has to be shown. You cannot do this, that you are detaining a person and lodging an FIR after few hours or maybe some hours after that. If something this has happened, this is against the law. Also, there is a right of the accused also to go and ahead to call the lawyer or to have the legal recourse as and when detained by the police. And in this case, I think something which has not been happened, and that is why the defense is now coming up with that particular application of CCTV footage that will particularly show that from where the this man has been detained and how much hours difference has been there. So in that case, their legal recourse can be a difficulty position for this prosecution.
Okay.